In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reporting tags in Zoho Books. Reporting tags let you slice and analyze your financial data by dimensions that matter to you, like locations, departments, product lines, or campaigns, without changing your chart of accounts. They're perfect for cleaner reporting and more flexible insights. Start by opening your browser and heading to books.zoho.com. Sign into your Zoho Books account so you land on your organization's dashboard. From here, look to the top right and click the gear icon. This opens your settings area where you control preferences and advanced configuration. If your window is narrower, the gear might be tucked into a menu. Either way, you want the settings page. Inside settings, find and click reporting tags. This is the central place to create and manage the labels that you'll later apply to transactions. You'll see any existing tags listed here, which is helpful for keeping your naming consistent across your team. To add a new one, click New Reporting Tag. This opens a simple form. Begin by entering a clear reporting tag name. Choose something short and descriptive like region or department, so it's obvious to anyone creating transactions. Consistent naming pays off when you're filtering and building reports later. Next, enter a description. Think of this as a quick guide for your team. Use it to explain when to use the tag and what values it might include. A sentence or two can prevent mix-ups and keep your data clean. Now choose the modules where this tag should be available. Modules are the parts of Zoho Books where you record activity, such as invoices, bills, expenses, credit notes, and more. Select only the modules where you actually need this tag so you keep screens uncluttered and tagging intentional. For example, you might want region on invoices and expenses, but not on journal entries. You'll also see an option to make this reporting tag mandatory. Turning this on enforces data quality by requiring users to pick a tag before saving in the selected modules. That can be great for consistent reporting, though it may slow data entry if your processes aren't fully defined. Use it when you're confident every transaction in those modules should carry this tag. When you're satisfied, click Save and Continue. Your new reporting tag is now ready to use. As you create or edit transactions in the modules you selected, you'll see this tag field available to fill in. Over time, these tags make it easy to filter lists and run sharper reports, like viewing sales by region or expenses by department, without overcomplicating your accounts.